If you know, you know. When I bring the coffee cup out, the coffee cup glass, it's gonna be a good day, a good pair, a good unboxing. What's good, everybody? This is your boy DB Kicks, man. And today I have a very special unboxing. In my opinion, a special unboxing. A little bit of story time. I don't know if I'm gonna style these yet. I don't know. I might. We'll just see. Let me unbox the shoe, and then I'll figure out where I want to go with it. Part of that reason is because I feel like the timing, that window might be kind of missed. I don't know if people are gonna care, to be honest. For the time that I'm gonna have to put in it, I decided we're gonna unbox these live on the channel. I have not opened it, but they arrived. Now, my first impressions of this shoe, man. Bro, look. This is an amazing shoe. This is an awesome collaboration. It really is. And I've always been a fan of what Nigel Syvester does. I do have his other collaboration. I'll grab it real quick. The Jordan biking code. So that's when he signed to Jordan brand, was back in 2017. So Nigel Syvester is the first pro BMX Jordan athlete, and this is his first Air Jordan collaboration. He did do a Nike SB. So basically the inspiration behind this pair was a pair of Jordan 1s that he biked in pretty heavily, so that's why you see all the natural scuffs, the mini swoosh on the front. So he been doing that, the ripped stitching on the swoosh, reflective swoosh on the inside, and the aged outsole. So a lot of the cues from the Jordan 1 Nigel Syvester, well, some of the cues, some of the inspiration, you can see it. All right, you can see some of the inspo, like the reflective paneling on the Jordan 1, the reflective netting right here on the Jordan 4, and both pairs have mini swooshes, and he still use red, like that varsity kind of red color right here. And so those are just not similarities, but slight nods, to the original pair. Now for this shoe itself, Bike Air on the back of a Jordan 4, that shit is hard, bro. That's hard. Like, as a long time sneaker person, I guess, I don't know about you guys, but I get hyped when I see just crazy changes like that. I'm like, oh shit, he put bike instead of Nike, it's bike on the back of a Jordan 4. It's like, you just don't really think about, it's simple. It's simple, but you got to think about the licensing and the legal stuff that has to happen for him to even be able to do this. So that's how you know they got a lot of faith in Nigel Syvester. And I love what he does. I think BMX is dope itself. You know what I'm saying? I know when I was a kid, I was riding around on bikes trying to, put a gyro on my bike and trying to spin the handlebars and do wheelies, man. That's how when we was kids, we was outside, we was scuffing our knees and stuff, man. I'm just going off tangent, but anyways, so yeah, I mean, this all just premium materials, and they're keeping that shape from the SB Jordan 4. They're pretty consistent with that, man. What else? I mean, like I said, this is my first time really seeing it, the brick texture upper. So I'm realizing, I kind of was thinking this was straight up orange, but it's not. But it's definitely a different color. You know what I'm saying? It's definitely a different color. I love this the translucent type of red on the bottom. I mean, these are clean, man. It was just a lot going on with this shoe. I completely understand why people was just hyped for it, Jordan Brand, Nike, they bringing that energy back. They really bringing that energy back. They're cutting back. They're making things limited because shoes are, a lot of shoes are sitting. I feel like we had a chance to get shoes when they were sitting. Now certain Jordans, a lot of Jordans ain't really sitting. So if you kind of missed out, you just missed out. That's just how the game goes. It's good. It's gonna go up and down. It's gonna go in waves. Me personally, I think we're at a good medium right now, because we have stuff like this that's hard to get, right? So it makes it, whether you like it or not, it kind of makes it more exciting. Like, you gotta really, like, you kind of gotta pay to play. Like, I'm not against paying resale. I will barely pay resale. I'll probably pay resale maybe once. I give myself 1 to 2 pairs a year that I'm gonna pay extra money on. And this one, I knew I wasn't gonna get it, and I knew that I was gonna pay resale. So you have your stuff like this, and then you have your black metallic 5s, and I feel like they made a lot of those, but people wanted them. Those flew. And then you got your shoes like your black cement 3s, like they made plenty. You know what I mean? But also on the other side of things, you got Asics killing it. I mean, that's like the hottest shoe right now. You go out in the streets, that's what you see people wearing, is the Asics line, right? New Balance, the mesh thing. I mean, that's what's hot. Stuff like this that's getting pumped out for I guess real Jordan collectors / hypes, people that are only care about hype or what's worth resale. And then you got your everyday stuff. So I think we're in a pretty good spot right now. I'm really curious to see where this goes with the Jordan 4 undefeated. But yeah, this is easily my favorite sneaker that has come out this year. Like, it's without question. I mean, these are clean. These are so clean. And I know a lot of people already seen it, but I ain't seen my pair. So if you're watching, I appreciate you watching. Subscribe to the channel. Follow me at DB_kicks on Instagram. What y'all think, man? Y'all think this the best shoe to come out this year so far? Let me know what you guys think about the Air Jordan 4 Nigel Syvester brick by brick. Did you cop a pair? Oh, and one more thing I do want to say. I almost got for a pair. I'm still dealing with that situation. All right. Almost got. All right. So what I'm gonna say real quick is, I'm not one to blast people. You know what I'm saying? That's just not how I move. Unless you moving like that, we can match that energy. But be careful. Like, seriously, y'all. Like, be careful. I wish I would have said this in the beginning. Maybe I will. Be careful who you shop with. All right. Even if you feel like you know that person, you really mess with that person. When you do business, I was trying to go the let's support somebody local route. You know what I'm saying? I'm in Jacksonville, Florida. Let's support somebody local route and trust that person and go that way. Price was a little better, right? Cheaper ain't always better. I learned that this week from another situation, but I trusted that person, purchased a pair. Basically, I was supposed to get it between like Wednesday and Friday of the following week. Shoes didn't come. I didn't really trip because I had went out of town to Orlando for the weekend. Then I came back. I'm like, where's my stuff at? Started getting runaround, excuses. I didn't get them, right? So I'm dealing with that situation now. Just be careful. Like, seriously, guys, like, be careful who you shop with. Like, yes, I know the GOAT, Flight Club, StockX for certain pairs. I still like StockX for certain things. Like, it depends on the shoe. If it's a very trusted reseller, I know there's some resellers out there that are very trusted. If they don't have the shoe picture in hand, like, don't trust a guy. I was stupid for that because I trusted a Gotham screen, but I personally, like, I know this person. You know what I'm saying? Like, before I even did business with, I know this guy, right? But don't go off of that. Don't say my pair's coming in on this time, this day. Nah, if that shoe ain't in hand, like size run, I did get my pair from GOAT because now I'm just kind of like burned. I'm like, I really don't want to mess with like sellers. If enough people want to see the styling portion of the Air Jordan 4 Nigel Syvester brick by brick, I'll do it. Like, let's say if I get 20 likes on this video, I'll do the styling video. I don't know when, but I'll do it. You know what I'm saying? Time time just ain't on my side sometimes. Yeah, I work full time and I got a baby girl, but I appreciate you guys coming through, showing love to the channel. Don't forget, if you want to see me style sneakers like this, if you want to see more content, definitely smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Also give me a follow over at db_kicks and db_kicks on TikTok. I appreciate you guys coming through, showing love to the channel, and your boy DB Kicks is out.